lovelies, welcome back to the channel. It is time for another Witch's Moon unboxing. This one is heavy, oh my goodness. I think I'm gonna have to release another one of these videos like in a week or so. Like, I know it's quite close together, but I swear I've been doing one of these a month, but somehow I feel like I'm overrun with these boxes. I don't know how I've ended up so behind because I feel like I have been doing one every month, but so we need to catch up. But yeah, this is very heavy. I am intrigued about this one. I'm quite excited. So we're just gonna dive right in. Josephine's here to supervise. It'll be great. Ooh, oh, it's all very blue. Here we go. Okay, so this is our little table of contents that has absolutely everything in the box. If you're new here and you don't know, I always read this at the end because I like surprises. So if there's anything in the box that I don't know like what it is as I'm going, I will know by the end of this video, don't you worry. Okay, so first up we have our little oracle reading, and ooh, very pretty. So this says trust, and it says, I am safe, I am secure, in love I trust, my faith endures. Oh, that's cute. And this is what it looks like. And the other side. So that is really, really pretty. Speaking of really, really, really pretty, we have a gorgeous piece of artwork right here. Look how lovely. I feel like my camera's gone a little bit dark and I can't fix it. But this is Selene, Goddess of the Moon. Gorgeous. Oh, we have another one. And this is Moon Magic and the Lunar Phases. Oh, this is very pretty and intricate. God, how long must it have taken to do that? That's gorgeous. Okay, so under all of that, it seems like everything in here has quite a dark blue theme this month. Very like night sky. Lovely. Okay, so first up we have a herb and it says blind eyes. I don't know what that is. I assume when we read the thing at the end it'll have like its more common name. Now I think my nose is broken because for some reason that smells just very slightly chocolatey to me and I don't think that's right. So we'll have to find out what that is later. We have some wild lettuce. This smell like, welcome back to Kaya Smells Things. It does indeed smell very lettucey, but it looks very woody. Ooh, and then we have something called carrageen. Quite fine. I'm definitely not going to sniff too hard at this because it's going to end up my nose. Oh, is it sand? I thought it was like a very finely milled herb. It smells like the beach. Next up, this little box is calling to me. It looks quite pretty. Ooh. Oh, this is lovely. All right. Gosh, even the chain on this is lovely. So we have a wonderful little pendant. How lovely. Oh, moons within moons. Gorgeous. Ooh, okay. Well, this has me quite excited. It is simply a small metal stand, but I typically see little stands like this with either like a crystal ball, as in like, you know, the clear ones, or with some sort of like round, like crystal. So I'm thinking maybe something like that might be in here and that would explain the weight. I don't want to get too excited in case I'm wrong, but I feel like for this to just randomly be in there, there might be something exciting. So I am pretty pumped. Are there helicopters out? Okay, hopefully that's quiet enough now. We have this month's Sacred Salt. Ooh. And this is what it looks like. And of course, it's one of these unboxings, so I'm gonna have to have a sniff. Don't really know what that smells like actually. It's sort of dried flowers. We have a loose little like spray top. I'm assuming it goes with something in here. This aura spray. Okay, so it has an optional like little storage lid and a spray top lid. Cool. So this is Luna Aura Spray. Oh, that's very nice. Quite, I think maybe like a bit of lavender or something in there. Let's just. Ooh, is it lavender? Oh, that's like, ooh. Oh my god, I don't know what this smells like, but it's really nice. I feel like there must be like vanilla or something in it as well. Like maybe lavender and vanilla? I'm not sure, but it's like, oh, it's a really gorgeous combination of smells. And I'm not a lavender person. Like, I am really not that into lavender, but this, whatever is going on here, oh my god, that's so nice. Okay. Oh, we have some rope incense this month. If you haven't seen that before, it is really cool. Oh, I think I can still mostly smell that aura spray. Hold on. I think that's like quite a musky smell maybe. I really like that from what I can tell. I have to smell it like once my nose isn't being clouded with everything, but I think I'm getting like a really nice kind of like musky smell from that and I love it. And it is just like a weird little rope thing. Like, this is it. This is the incense. So cool. Have a go with that later. We have this month's oil. Oh, and this oil is the moon. I think I can see jasmine in there, so I'm already quite happy. I think I'm getting quite a green smell from that. Like, definitely like quite a leafy smell, but I'm not totally sure. Again, I basically just sprayed a load of that aura spray like up my nose. So my smell has been impaired, but I'm definitely getting something quite green from this. And it is very, very pretty as always. We'll do our spell candle. Oh, it's a chunky boy this month. Oh, and the spell that comes with this one is moon affirmations, and it's just a lovely white beeswax candle. Nothing seems to be on it. There might be oils, but there's no like glitter, there's no herbs. It's just like a lovely white beeswax candle, like the moon, and it has that good beeswaxy smell. I don't know what this is. Ooh! Okay, this is like wrapped in like some sort of plastic to protect it, and I can't get it off right now, and I don't do well with fiddly things, but what I'm assuming this is a selenite wand. That's definitely would be my first guess as to what this fella is, and it's quite a chunky one. Ooh, we're down to the final thing in the box. Okay. Oh, your girl was right. Ooh, I wonder what this is made of. It's like, it's very strange. Like the way, like the light. Kinda loving that. Position it better later. Gorgeous. Well, I love that. I was waiting for something like that ever since I found the stand. Okay, great. Very nice. Okay. Ah, I was wondering. That is also selenite. So the ball, the sphere, is also selenite, and it comes with a little stand, of course. Yes. Again, in case anyone's new, these always come with lots of information. If I were to read it all out here, like on camera, we would be here for quite some time, so I just kind of tell you what's in here and then I read through the actual information by myself later when I'm not taking up your time. So yes, selenite sphere with stand. Lunar blessings pendant with chain. Yes, I'd almost forgotten about that. How pretty. It's pewter and it's nickel free, and it's shaped like the crescent moon inscribed with phases of the moon. I love that. Luna aura spray. Yes, let's find what's in that because it smells amazing. It doesn't say what's in it. No! That's upsetting because it smells so good. I want to know what the like combination of smells is, but I don't think it says. Huh? Selenite wand. Yes, that is what we got. And of course this box is a lunar magic box, so everything is very moon themed, moon oriented. Love it. Did anyone else see the moon god when a week or two ago? It was huge and it was like almost blood red. It was like a deep orange color and it looked so cool. Like me and my mom were driving back from Donegall, and like the way it was sort of like, we were driving down the highway and there were bridges, and I actually thought it was like a big weird sign or something because it just looked way too big to be the moon. And the way it was sitting, it looked like it was part of the bridge, and I was like, wait, is that the, like we didn't believe it was the moon for like a solid 10 minutes. It was crazy. Where did we get to? Selenite wand, yes, okay. And then Moon Magic and Lunar Phases Book of Shadows artworks. Yes, we got both. Large Moon Affirmation Spell Candle with Affirmation Directory, yes. The Moon Magical Anointing Oil, yes. What was in there? Let's see. Oh, all the information's always so just gives me a warm fuzzy feeling. Okay, we've enchanted this magical oil with anise, jasmine and sandalwood oils, and have included the herbs of jasmine, lemon balm and poppy seeds. Inside your oil you'll find a Lemurian quartz said to personify oneness into your aura. And there's also a blend of their own mixture of intention setting magical oil in there. Sandalwood ritual rope incense, that's why it was musky, yes, gorgeous. Carrageen, Irish moss, so it's not sand. What? Man, it doesn't look like any moss I've ever seen, and I'm in Ireland. It looks like sand and it smells like the beach. Yeah, no, that has a beachy smell. God, I'm gonna have to look it up online and see what it looks like when it's not in this form, because I was so sure this was like some sort of sand. But California Blind Eyes, also known as California Poppy. We've included the California Poppy within this collection to help aid in your meditations. See, I'm confused again. It says place these seeds underneath your rugs or pillows, but it doesn't look like seeds. Like, it definitely looks like some sort of like shredded plant matter. I'm so confused. Wild lettuce or sleepwort has been used in many calming remedies to help bring ease to those that are anxious or stirred. Okay, lovely, and that's what is expected. Selene, the goddess of the moon. Oh, okay, so Selene, goddess of the moon artwork, that is separate, and then Yes, moon magic and lunar phases, I get it, yes. So those 2 pieces of artwork, yes. Personalized oracle reading, yes, we did indeed get that. Ritual Book of Shadows paper, yes, it is in the back here. And Lammas Sacred Salt, yes. And Lammas is the first grain harvest of the year. Time of social gathering, lunar rites, athletic contests, storytelling, feasting, matchmaking and trading. That's all just very pleasant. And what's in there? Let me see. Chamomile and sandalwood oils, as well as calendula and chamomile herb. Yeah, like all I could smell was the chamomile. Also include a special mixture of acknowledgement magical oil. Lovely! Okay, well that is everything that was in this box. I really enjoyed this one. I definitely love the moon theme. Freaking love this. Oh my god, that is such a nice smell. I'm so upset it didn't say what's in it because I love it. As always, I do hope you enjoyed this video. I certainly enjoyed making it. Do leave me a little comment, let me know what you thought, and let me know if you saw the crazy moon. I did message my friend when I was like on the way back and I was like, excuse me, can you see the moon? And they could see it as well, but I don't know if it was like a round the world thing. Remember to give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you're new here, consider subscribing and joining the family. We would love to have you. And finally, before you go, if you could check out my Patreon, that would be super awesome because that is the best possible way to support this channel, especially because YouTube likes to screw us all over. You know the drill. So the link is down in the description if you want to help me in the fight against YouTube trying to ruin my life. Yes, link is in the description. Would love it if you could check that out. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, lovelies!